The LP charger is a compact, travel-friendly option at just 3.3 inches tall, 1.8 inches wide, and 1.3 inches thick, so it's easy to just toss into any camera bag. It includes built-in protection against overheating, over-discharge, overcharging, short circuit, overcurrent, and overvoltage, basically all the things that can quietly kill cheaper chargers. It's compatible with the LP-E10 batteries used in the Canon Rebel T7, T6, T5, T3, T100, and models like the 4000D through 1100D, but it does not work with the T3i, T5i, T6i, T6S, or the T7i, which use a different battery. This is a wall plug-in only charger, and it charges one battery at a time, so it's designed more as a simple, reliable backup rather than a multi-battery charging station. To charge your battery, just drop it into the port and the light turns red. When it's fully charged, the light switches to green. It's simple, no menus, no guessing. This makes it an ideal battery charger for beginner Canon shooters, or really anyone who wants a dependable backup battery charger for long travel or longer shooting days. At the time of this video, it holds a 4.6 star rating across roughly 6,000 reviews on Amazon, with many verified buyers calling it a great value for the money. If you want to check current pricing or compatibility for your specific camera, I'll drop a link in the description.